Hey guys, WB99. Got a parcel from my old mate Outdoor Review, which is Activate on P2S. It's Steve. Been waiting for this one. It was a gift back for what I sent him, which was the 12-hour drop ration pack I did for him with a meal plan. Set that out for him. Don't actually know what's in here, so I don't know what to expect. So it's a bit of a surprise, but crack it open and have a look. Oh, you sure as hell packaged this well, Steve? Oh, look at that. Oh, that's pucker, mate. But after one of these, Shima, black and white. I'll have to go and get a little packet of dye later and dye that now. Green or just go all black, one or two. Cheers for that, buddy, that'll come handy. Little note in here as well. For you, mate. A Shima, army issue pants. Length in a tube to make range of bands. Watertight containers. Zip pulls. Split rings. Mini survival sheets. Brilliant. Cheers, mate. Little waterproof pot. Oh bloody hell, they are tiny. The size of them. They're tiny compared to the ones I've got. Cheers, Steve. That little waterproof container will come in handy. I need this sign for my other matches. Oh, pucker. I seen this one in your sheet. I was after one of these in your video. Little in an emergency, stop, don't panic. Using a watch to determine north and south. That's brilliant, mate. Cheers. That'll come in handy. That 4 Ranger bands. I was after some of them as well. Oh, you put loads in there, haven't you? Some renovating polish. Okay, that will come in. That will be great use, that will. Brilliant. Cheers, mate. Another little waterproof pot. Oh, wicked. So if you're after great craftsmanship for zip pulls and ties and stuff like that, go to Steve on Outdoor Review. He makes all these himself. These are in the coyote brown. Great handy little things to have these. There's so many little uses for this right now. There you go, you see them properly. He made these for me in my last other video for my little Molly waist pack. I've got them all over the place now, so cheers for that. And some inner tube. I was after some of this actually to make some new range bands with properly. 101 different uses for them. And get to the main one now. Army issue. Green trousers. Brilliant, mate. You probably see them in one of my videos now, me wearing them. That'd be great. I'll fix them up. Add a few little bits to them. Might even make some little side pockets for them. Got some old material lying around, so I'll be able to do that with it. But yeah, brilliant. Cheers, thanks very much for that, Steve. I really appreciate that, mate. I'm going to go through it all now properly, have a look, and put all the bits to immediate use. Right guys, see you later. WB99 out. And yeah, get onto Outdoor Review on YouTube. Give Steve a like. He's a great guy. He'll, you know, if you scratch his back, he'll scratch yours. But anyway, guys, see you later. Take it easy.